Probably you all know this little emoji. In northern Ugandan primary schools, this is usually kept safe in the pits of the latrines. However, as the pupils are using the latrines during the breaks, the fecal matter piles up, and at some point, the latrines are full. Then, at the latest, things start to smell. Not just literally, but particularly due to serious health risks. The school itself is responsible for the emptying of the latrines. However, this seldom happens. On the one hand, the costs for hiring an emptying service are relatively high. On the other hand, the schools often have other priorities and spend most of the budget on teachers in order to improve education. Together with UNICEF, last year's IDBM team came up with an idea that would turn the latrines waste from a burden into an asset. In this concept, the waste would be drained by local farmers, composted into fertilizer, and then used in school and community gardens in order to grow more food crops. This academic year, in collaboration with UNICEF, academia, and private partners from Finland and Uganda, we are developing the concept further by creating a sustainable economic model and testing its feasibility. There are three crucial steps in the process from turning the latrine waste into fertilizer and then making use of it. However, there are various open questions and variables, such as how the emptying and the composting actually work, and what is the best usage for the fertilizer. In order to figure out what is the best mixture, we started to analyze each step, based on our fieldwork findings. For instance, we audited the design of the current school latrines and evaluated the factors that are relevant for the emptying process. Moreover, we also identified the capabilities that would be needed to successfully co-design these processes. Actors' participation is essential in order to create a long-lasting solution. With the business model canvas, we sketched out one of the possible mixtures that could lead to a sustainable economic model. However, since there are many potential scenarios, one of our next steps is to build these other scenarios one by one and analyze them in depth. The most promising ones will be selected together with UNICEF and tested during our next field trip in March 2016.